Time for a tasty snack. I'm gonna make a pancake, but it's not gonna be an ordinary pancake. It's gonna look good and taste good. I mean, everybody loves fries, right? Now I'll color the carton. I'll wait for the pancake to cook. Let's flip it. It smells amazing. Just look at it. Pancakes! Pancakes for sale! Get them while they're hot! Business is slow. Oh, here comes a customer.
What have we got here?
Delicious homemade pancakes!
I guess I'll take one.
I think you'll like it.
It smells okay. Let's try it. Yuck! I wouldn't serve this to my dog. It belongs in the trash.
How dare you, sir! That was my granny's recipe!
Your granny needs cooking lessons.
Ah!
Try more, kid. Great, I'm still with the kid.
This isn't over.
Yeah, whatever. Welcome to the...
Woohoo! I'm the greatest!
This isn't fair. How can he beat me? Face it, you'll never afford this.
I wouldn't want it.
Ready for the next round? Here's your inspiration. Look at the size of that rock. Finally, something I'm interested in.
Whoa, it's so magical!
I want it. It can go with my other huge diamonds. Want to see something cool? Oh, isn't it spectacular? I think I'm in love. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Apart from me, of course.
Take it easy, buddy. Wanna turn it down a little? It's hurting my eyes. I need to put on my sunglasses. Now that's more like it. I'm looking fresh. If I could see you, I know you'd be jealous. A little help? I hope this is the pancake mix. I'll start by drawing a triangle and then transform it into a diamond. I'll use different colors to fill it. It'll be like the different reflections inside. Okay, now I can flip it. I think I'm happy with that. Let's take it off the hot plate. How does it look? Oh, please be good. I'm done!
Shh, you're ruining the moment. Huh? Oh, sorry, I have work to do. Oh, this is a fix.
Oh yeah! Whoop whoop!
I don't believe it. This result will haunt me for life.
I'm hyped and ready to do this.
You're going down. It's so exciting. Here it comes. Ta-da!
That was one tasty challenge. We hope it left you hungry for more. What's your favorite pancake topping? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.
You need to throw a dart at the spinning wheel.
I like a challenge. Look at it go! What does that mean? My hand is tiny. Both my hands are tiny.
You look ridiculous. I mean, meh, it's not that big a deal.
It's okay to be jealous. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Quit it! You're so immature.
Guess who?
Get your freakishly small hands away from me.
Fine. You're no fun. Maybe I can... Ow! So it's like that, huh?
You don't want to mess with me. You're making a huge mistake.
What? What's going on? Stop, please!
You need to chill out.
I'm sorry.
Fine, but no more. You hear me?
You're mean.
And I'm proud of it.
Okay, I better make the pancake. Wow, this bottle is huge. I'll start with black pancake mix. This will be perfect for the outline. Now I can begin to color it. I just need to stay inside the lines. Let's use pink mix next. It smells good. Uh-oh, this is getting difficult. My hands are starting to shake. I'll fill in any gaps. This is going to be the cutest Jigglypuff ever. I'm almost done, and then I can flip it. Look at that! I'm a true artist!
That's it?
Nah.
Come on, it looks great. Give me some credit. It would be a shame to eat it.
Whatever, it's not that special. It's my turn. Watch this. What am I supposed to do with that?
I'm going to enjoy this. My hands are back to their regular size. What a relief! Wait, this is excellent.
Please don't do egg jokes. This is bad enough without your awful puns. So, what am I supposed to do? Okay, here goes. I can totally do this. I just need to trace around it. I'll make a large circle for the body, but I'm going to need a lot more. That should do it. I need to join them together. That was a lot simpler than I thought. I'll run the 3D pen over it. I want to cover it completely. Once that's done, I'll start to add the details. This is going to be an eye. I'll need to use blue plastic for this part. Then I'll build up the layers to make the arms. I'll do the same for the legs. What's next? Oh, yeah, the hair. Wow, it's looking great. Next up, I'll draw the ears. I'll form them into a point. Oh, I almost forgot about your microphone. I think I'm finished. Wait!
I've got it. No need to thank me.
I wasn't going to. You covered Jigglypuff in egg. It's all slimy. That's more like it. It's cute, huh?
I love it. Great job.
Ready for the next round? I'm feeling lucky. Here goes. Huh? That looks familiar.
Yeah, it does. Real familiar. Anyway, I have more important things to do. I'm trying to concentrate.
I have tentacles. I'm stuck. I have awoken the Kraken. I won't make that mistake again. Let's do this. Hey, these things have a great grip. I think I'll begin with the hair. They say start from the top and work your way down. Now, I'll do the facial features. This might be some of my best work. This is so easy. There isn't a lot of colors, so I should be done pretty quickly. I'll quickly color the lips. Now I need to do the ghostly complexion. I've picked the lightest color of pancake mix I have. It's a perfect match. Wow, it looks just like you. It could be your twin. Although the pancake has a better personality.
Very funny. Time to work out any tension I've got. Would you look at that? That's the one I wanted. I thought this was supposed to be difficult.
I think you need a manicure.
What are you talking about? How did that happen? I don't remember my nails being that long. Hey, I'm not complaining. People pay good money to get nails like this.
You can't pick up the pen.
What? Come on. Why is this so hard? I'm starting to get annoyed, and you don't want to see me when I'm angry. Wait a second. I think I know what to do. I forgot I had this business card. Happiness is just a teardrop away. It's worth a shot.
I'm your fairy godmother. It looks like you two could do with some of my talents. Honey, those nails are awful. But I can fix them. Do me, do me. How about a little sparkle?
Wow, so long tentacles.
Thank you. You're the best. Huh? Where did the fairy go?
Now I can get creative.
You know that's cheating, right?
First, I'm going to draw a circle. Then I need to fill it in. I'll use long pen strokes for this. This is going to be my base. Next, I'll switch colors and draw the hair. This should be straightforward. I mean, I style my hair like this every morning. Once the top part is done, I can move on to the pigtails. This is just a case of drawing a straight line. Now I can draw the body. I'll draw a triangle. Then I can color it. It's going to be black, obviously. Then I can draw the face. I'll give her a little smile. Now I just need to add the finishing touches. I'll add a collar to the body. This girl is looking fabulous. My own mini-me, what do you think?
Can I see it? Look, you're multiplying. This is so cool. You have clones.
Remind me, why are we friends? Give me that.
You always ruin my fun. Hey, draw me. I've been working on my poses. I wonder what we'll get this time.
Throw the dart and find out.
Please be something good. This looks interesting.
This is going to be fun.
What are you doing with that? I'll draw a rough outline. Then I'll add a beak. Easy! Next, I'll give this little birdie a pair of eyes. And this can be the wing. It'll need some tail feathers. Mother Nature is going to be so proud of me. Now to fill it in. I'll use white pancake mix for the body. I'll draw around the wing. I want that to be a different color. I'll take my time around the eyes. That's the first part done. I'll make the wing a nice deep blue. It gives a great contrast. I'll make the tail the same color. Next, I'll use yellow for the beak. It's starting to cook already. I'll color the feet with yellow too. I better turn it over. This is the tricky part. Phew, I did it.
At least you tried. But I'm definitely not eating that. It's my turn. I got a bird too. Wait, is that a blindfold? Oh, come on. This isn't fair. I hope this goes well. I'll start by drawing the body. At least, I think that's what I'm drawing. I'll fill it in. I have no idea what color I'm using. I hope it looks good. Anything will be better than that dumb pancake. It's time for the wing. I want to create a contrast between the body and the wing. I want it to look like the bird is in flight. It can be soaring through the sky. Then I'll draw the beak. This is just 2 triangles. I'll fill them in with the same color. Then it's time for the fun part. I want this bird to have a splash of color. I'll add blue lines to it. This is blue, isn't it? I think I'm done. Be honest, does it look like a bird? Wow.
Here,